If you haven't yet used the research tab on YouTube and analytics, this is your sign to try it out. I got this comment today about how did I get on this person's shorts feed. As you can see, these are my most recent shorts and the views are not necessarily in the same realm, and it's not only Elden Ring. I do other sorts of content, but I do consistently still put out Elden Ring. So keep that in mind to see when you go to Content Gap. My YouTube is lifestyle, gaming, content creation related, and vlogs, leisure content. So I have a very diverse niche, but if your niche is one thing only, your content gap will be more precise. As you see, my content gaps were everywhere, but be smart and pick something that you can say, hey, this makes sense for me to do. Try it out. Let me know how it goes. Bye. Good luck. To your dashboard, go in analytics, go in research. There, go viewer searches, content gaps only, and there you got them.